What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back at another video, man. Today, you read the title, we're gonna be doing a sneaker app review, and this app is called the GOAT app. And I would suggest everybody that don't know about the app, watch the full video. I'm gonna give you all a little bit of details, let you know what they offer and stuff like that. If you're new to the channel, what I need you to do right now is subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell for your boy, follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. The time is winding down for this giveaway for the Air Jordan 4 Cool Grade, so make sure you take advantage of the giveaway. The rules will be in the description box below. It's very simple rules, man, so make sure you go check that out to win a free pair for back to school. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this unboxing slash GOAT app review, man. Let's get it. All right, as you can see, I got this from Hong Kong. I did not know that they had like a station in Hong Kong, so technically I did get these shoes from across the water, as everybody been saying lately. You know, a lot of fakes come from over there, like China and stuff like that, but these came from GOAT in Hong Kong. So we did the research and stuff like that, and they did have a station there, and I was a little bit worried. I was like, and then it got here in 2 days. Once it came from GOAT, it got here in 2 days from Hong Kong. So I was like, they put some expedited shipping on that thing. And I was a little bit worried about the whole Hong Kong situation. But they do have a legit take spot or station in Hong Kong. So don't be worried if you see Hong Kong shipping, because they do ship from there as well as in New Jersey. So let's get right into this box real quick. As y'all know, GOAT app, everybody know the GOAT app. You got a GOAT on the symbol, that's their logo, and if you see that app, that's what it is, man, the GOAT app. This is my first time getting the package where it came on this yellow tape, maybe because it had to come from like through customs and stuff like that, because you know, if you get stuff from overseas, it has to go through customs before it comes to the United States. So I'm guessing that's why it came like this. Usually coming like with a brown tape across it. This one got yellow. I'm gonna cut this thing open real quick, and I'm gonna do the unboxing first, show y'all what shoes I got before we talk about the app and all the stuff about the GOAT app. So you got the little brown tissue paper, stuff like that, and then here goes the shoe box right here, man. Y'all know I'm a big Foam Positive fan, and looking at the box, it looks like I got a pair of Foam Positives, but I didn't. I was eyeing this pair of shoes for a long time. I was wondering if it was gonna hike up in the resale value and stuff like that, but it kind of stayed the same. It stayed stagnant right around that 200, 190 price range, and I got these things for 200 bucks on the head, so I tried to go that for that. So now it's time to show what shoes I got. This is the Air Max 720 OBJ, and I got these in the size 9, man. Check it out. And you know, if you get shoes from overseas, it's not coming with like the retail sticker, stuff like that. So that's why you do not get a retail sticker. I don't even know how much these retail for. Maybe like 175, 180. I'm not sure, but I got these for 200 bucks. This is not bad. I see the shoe definitely rising up in the resale the more time it goes along. Let's pull them out the box real quick, man. You got the little GOAT card right here, verified by GOAT. Check it out. All different stations that went through to get verified from GOAT app. Then now finally, they got the little smaller GOAT stickers. Usually they got the big thick ones. Now they made it smaller, man. So this is definitely gonna be going on maybe my iMac. I'm not for sure, but I'm definitely gonna be keeping these stickers. And yeah, I got the Nike paper, and here we have it, man. Check them out. Finally got them in the collection. Air Max 720 OBJs, man, or the King of Drip. I forget what the name. I think it's the King of Drip, the young King of Drip. And you got like different patches and stuff like that, different laces in there. And finally have them in the collection. I knew I wanted to add these in my collection. Never was a big Air Max guy, but when they throw all these different colors on there, they put a collaboration with OBJ. I was like, man, I might have to pull the trigger on these before they start hiking up in the resale. So here you have it, Air Max 720 OBJs, man. Put all on out the box real quick, set it up behind us so y'all can see this shoe. Y'all probably don't even want to see me. I probably want to see what sneaker I copped from GOAT app. And like I said, I'm not good at legit taking sneakers. I was a little bit worried about them coming from Hong Kong, but did the research. They do have a station, a GOAT headquarters in Hong Kong, man. So check it out right there. Very, very clean sneaker. I'll set these to the side real quick. We're gonna break down the GOAT app and what everything it offers you guys. If you do not know what the GOAT app looks like, here it goes right here, man. You see that GOAT app, that GOAT symbol right there. Check it out. We're gonna pull it open so I can show you and break down a couple of things that it offers us, man. First off, if you are like military affiliated, if you have like an APO address to where you like affiliate with the armed forces, you can ship over there without having to pay those crazy shipping fees. StockX, as you know, do not let you ship to APO, but GOAT app offers that service, man. So it's only 10 bucks all across the world. If you in the military, if you have an APO address, then you can ship there for only 10 bucks, which is crazy. I just realized that the GOAT app shipped overseas, the APO addresses for only $10. When I picked up the Mnml 700, I was like, man, I want the sneaker so bad, but I did not want to get off StockX because they had to pay, you got to pay that crazy shipping and handling fee for shipping this to Germany. But I went to GoDaddy and I was like, man, only 10 bucks. I was like, had to pull the trigger. And then that's when I started going crazy on GoDaddy. And I started buying a whole bunch of my sneakers from GoDaddy that I missed out from being over in Germany. So we're just gonna pick one sneaker so you can see kind of what all you can do. So we're gonna pick the Off-White MCA Air Force One lows. So here you go right here. You can buy the shoes new, as you can see right here. You can buy them used. Check it out. Something that StockX doesn't offer. I'm not trying to, you know what I'm saying, be biased to GOAT. I'm just giving y'all all their services. You can buy them used, and you can also buy new with defects, man. Check it out. That's something that everybody was asking me on my last unboxing, because I got the 700 Muavs from GoDaddy, and it had buy new with defects. And everybody was like, what does the defects mean? And there really wasn't nothing wrong with the sneaker. It said discoloration on the midsole, but I did not see any apparent discoloration. That's like something that it's gonna happen anyways when you're wearing a sneaker. Like you get a little scuff or something like that. So you can buy your sneakers, any sneaker on there, you can buy new with defects. They have sizes with defects on it, man. So that's definitely a good service to offer people, because everybody can't buy the shoes that's brand new. Because if you buy a pair of shoes that's brand new, like the MCA Off-White ones, that's not messed up, then you have to pay that regular resale value. But if you buy them with defects, you can get them a little bit cheaper than the regular resale value. And you can also, of course, offer whatever you want to offer. It has to beat the last offer, man. So the top offer for these right here is $2,055. You got to go up increments of $5, so I can go ahead and bid for $2,060 and try to get this pair, you know what I'm saying, for that price. Also, you can, you know what I'm saying, search any shoe you want, just like on StockX. You can look for any shoe you want that you maybe missed out on. You can find it on here, and you can buy it, of course. And you can sell on GoDaddy as well, man. So everybody pretty much know you can sell on GoDaddy. But like I said, it's people that don't know about GoDaddy and StockX and stuff like that. And I'm trying to give you guys tips and pointers and stuff like that, so you can sell on the GoDaddy. Also, if you want to buy sneakers and put them in the storage for GOAT, you can do that as well. So you buy a pair of sneakers, you can keep them in GOAT storage, and if you end up wanting to flip them, you can just keep them there and you can sell them just like that, man. So without even having to get the shoes in hand, you can buy them on GoDaddy, send them to GOAT storage, and you can sell them just like that without even having to, you know what I'm saying, have the hassle of shipping them back. They show you all the shoes you own right here. So you can see I copped a couple of pair of kicks from GoDaddy, man. Went a little crazy when I was over in Germany. You can put shoes that you want, so they have a list of all the wants. You put a heart next to it, you can check out all the shoes you're looking for, check the market out every day, see if the price drops, see if the price rise, and you can do all that right there in that tab right there. So check it out. The want, see, I want the Air Jordan 7 reflectives, the light bone 11 lows, the geodes, man. As you can see right here, you can look at any sneaker that you want and put it on this, so you can check the value of it and stuff like that every day. Me personally, I like to go that better just because the shipping fees when shipping overseas, if you like military affiliate, like I said, that really won me over between the GOAT and the whole StockX thing. So that's my recommendation to you. I will shop with GOAT over StockX. That's just me, man. Okay guys, that is it for this review slash unboxing from GoDaddy. Hope you guys learned something, especially for the new sneakerheads, stuff like that, trying to figure out if you can go from StockX or GOAT. Me personally, like I said, I will rock with GOAT, just because, like I said, they held it down when I was in Germany, man. So shouts out to GOAT for that. Showed you guys what I copped, and I copped the Air Max 720 OBJ King of Drips. I will be doing a review and on feet over these, just because I have never done a review over Air Max, so this is gonna be the first time, and maybe be very, very short and more of a lengthy on feet, just because you got different laces, different patches and stuff like that. Make sure you guys like the video, make sure you comment on the video, let me know if you ever shop with GOAT. Do you like GOAT or StockX better? Let me know in the comment section below so we can get some discussion going on down there. I know respond to all comments. Make sure you take advantage of the giveaway of the Air Jordan 4 Cool Grays. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. Like the video, you know, to go for every video is 100 likes. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.